How to steal a secret. In most of the cases, talking about cryptography, not actually crawling into somebody's basement and stealing some documents, but talking about cryptography, stealing a secret goes through the process of finding out the key that the intended recipient of the secret is using in order to read the secret. We may remember that in cryptography, the difference that we are addressing is between those who hold the key and those who don't. Once you hold the key, you're as good as the intended reader. There is no difference. There is nothing other than having the key that discriminates the intended reader from anybody else. So if you want cryptographically to steal a secret, you need to steal, secure, deduce, find the key that the intended recipient uses in order to extract the plain text from the ciphertext. So, this can be quite a daunting task. We will focus first on the classical setting. What's the classical setting? In the classical setting, we know what method the secret was encrypted in. There are many ciphers, many methods, many algorithms, and we know exactly what method was used to encrypt the secret. We also know exactly what is the key space. The key space is simply the set of all possible keys that could have been used to package this secret. And we have the ciphertext. So again, we capture the ciphertext, we know what method was used, and we know the key space. So now, theoretically, all that we have to do is simply try every key from the key space, the same way that if you have a ring of keys and you don't know which opens the door in front of you, you try one key after the other until you find the one that opens it. The same thing we do in order to steal secrets. We simply try key after key, key after key, until we find the right one. It's called the brute force approach. And this is theoretically the simplest way. And if we have computers that are faster than our adversary suspected that we have, then we have a good chance. Not with any special math, not with any special insight, just brute force. Try one key after the other until we find the key that fits. In all classical and commonplace cryptography, using all the ciphers that are commonly used, from the key space, we are guaranteed that only one key will open the door. Only one key will, when applied to the ciphertext, extract the plain text. And we will see right away that every other key doesn't do the job. And so this is the first level of key extraction, of prying out a secret, simply trying all possible keys. And we will see when we talk about the future, we are looking at the specter of quantum computing, which might give us the capability to compute so much faster than today that situation that looks secure today will be totally insecure for the secret writer tomorrow. So, the way to pry open a secret cryptographically is to find the key that, when applied to the ciphertext that we assume that we have, will extract the plain text. To find the key, we need to know the method that was used for encryption, and we need to know the key space.